Optimus can see you now. The patent for Tesla Optimus's eye structure just dropped. This sensational revelation recently surfaced on X, exposing a major technological turning point from Tesla. A newly approved Tesla patent granted on May 26, 2026. This document poses a core question for the future of the robotics industry. How can a humanoid machine navigate safely in the chaotic physical world when its computer vision is continuously threatened by dust, grease, rain, and wind? To solve this practical problem, Tesla has chosen to learn from nature. While the ultimate AI brain simulates human thinking, its hardware must also possess a blinking and tearing mechanism to protect itself, titled simply Lens Cleaning System. This newly published document details an advanced integrated hardware architecture that marks a turning point in automated design. By combining software-driven debris detection, microscopic fluid distribution, and an active mechanical wiper, Tesla has successfully engineered a biomimetic camera housing that mirrors the physiological functions of the human eye. Rather than relying on bulky external washing devices or traditional high-pressure spray nozzles that compromise aesthetics, this compact spherical lens assembly is capable of autonomously diagnosing visual obstructions and deploying localized tears and structural eyelids to maintain optical clarity. This development provides a definitive hardware-level solution to the most critical bottleneck in vision-based autonomy: degradation caused by the real-world environment. Although the automotive community initially linked this technology to the cybercab robotaxi, the patent's tight, self-contained structural layout and sophisticated biomimetic nature clearly indicate its intended destination: the highly anticipated Tesla Optimus Gen 3. In the evolution of humanoid robotics, vision-based neural networks are entirely dependent on uncompromised visual telemetry. Consider the technical challenges. While the camera of a modern vehicle can sometimes rely on passive airflow or high-velocity travel to clear light rain, a humanoid robot operating at a standard human walking speed of 1.2 to 1.5 meters per second in a factory, warehouse, or home does not have that advantage. At this low velocity, the removal of dirt via aerodynamic drag is completely non-existent. Under these conditions, an airborne dust layer, machine oil, or environmental residue just a millimeter in size can degrade image contrast by 40% to 60%, severely blinding the system's edge detection neural networks. While previous Optimus generations relied on passive, manual maintenance after every few hours of operation, the integration of this self-cleaning eye assembly into the Optimus Gen 3 platform represents a massive leap toward true 24/7 operational autonomy without downtime. This miniature closed-loop system operates through a precise, intelligent cycle that completely redefines the durability of machine vision. First, the robot's onboard vision neural network detects an instantaneous drop in image contrast, localized pixel occlusion, or structural distortion caused by external debris. Instantly, the system commands internal microchannels to release precise, milliliter-scale doses typically less than 0.5 to 1.0 milliliters per cycle of specialized chemical agents, water, alcohol-based solutions, or surfactants onto the curved lens surface to break down the contamination. Simultaneously, a tiny integrated mechanical wiper blade sweeps across the spherical plane, removing stubborn particles like dried dirt or insects, before gently retracting into a hidden, inactive position to restore an unobstructed line of sight. This revolutionary, upgraded vision architecture unlocks unprecedented operational benefits, allowing Optimus Gen 3 to undertake complex, high-risk tasks that were previously impossible for vision-reliant robots. In heavy industrial and manufacturing environments, Optimus can confidently perform precision welding, machining, and parts assembly amidst floating metallic dust, oil mists, and sparks. Hazardous environments where human visibility drops significantly and standard lenses fail within 30 to 45 minutes without continuous manual wiping. For outdoor and hazardous operations, such as agricultural harvesting, search and rescue in muddy terrains, or chemical spill containment, the robot can maintain uncompromised depth perception and sub-millimeter spatial mapping accuracy even when heavily splattered with mud, chemicals, or torrential rain exceeding 50 millimeters per hour. Furthermore, in domestic and commercial settings, this self-cleaning capability allows Optimus to seamlessly handle messy household chores, commercial kitchen sanitation, or dusty warehouse inventory management, transforming it from a fragile laboratory prototype into a truly resilient, fully autonomous workforce, capable of enduring the real world's dirtiest jobs. And the upgrades clearly don't stop there. The latest V2.5 improvements alone already look incredibly advanced, while Optimus Gen 3 is still being kept almost completely secret. If this is what Tesla is willing to reveal now, Gen 3 could be on an entirely different level. The transition from a technology demonstration prototype to a genuine industrial asset is distinctively marked by the core mechanical upgrades integrated into the Optimus V 2.5 version, instead of focusing on smooth, cinematic movements designed for stage performances. Tesla's engineers have comprehensively restructured the biomechanical system to satisfy rigorous standards regarding durability, thermal efficiency, and high-volume manufacturability within heavy industrial environments. The most foundational modification involves shifting the entire high-voltage battery pack from the chest cavity and upper spine down to be directly integrated into the pelvic structure. This design lowers the machine's global center of gravity by several centimeters, significantly reducing the moment of inertia during bipedal locomotion and directly eliminating continuous stress on the ankle and knee actuator assemblies. The clearest evidence of this mass redistribution efficiency is that the sway amplitude of the upper torso has been reduced to an ultra-precise margin of just 1.5 centimeters, maximizing the stability of the head-mounted sensor array and cameras to deliver vibration-free visual data to the spatial processing neural networks. In parallel with optimizing the center of gravity, the articulation system on Optimus Vi 2.5 has undergone a complete transformation through the integration of a 4-bar linkage mechanism at primary load-bearing positions, such as the hip and knee joints. This mechanism enables non-linear force transmission, automatically adjusting mechanical advantage depending on the joint's flexion angle to optimize the operational efficiency of the electric motors. Specifically, when the robot executes heavy lifting tasks, such as bending down to lift an object from the ground, the 4-bar linkage extends the lever arm to its maximum to reduce peak current draw through the motor, whereas during the forward swing phase of walking, the system shifts to optimize angular velocity. This classic mechanical engineering solution serves as the primary driver enabling Optimus V 2.5 to reduce total system energy consumption by up to 20%, allowing structural components to operate within their ideal temperature and revolutions per minute bands, thereby extending the operational lifespan of the 2.3 kilowatt-hours battery pack past the standard 8-hour shift threshold without requiring the installation of complex liquid cooling systems. The robot's real-world operational capability is validated by a sustained walking velocity stabilized at 1.2 to 1.4 meters per second, completely compatible with human movement cadences within logistics corridors and automotive assembly lines to avoid causing localized bottlenecks. To precisely regulate this velocity when carrying variable payloads, Tesla has deployed a high-frequency joint-level torque loop control system. This system continuously samples data from strain gauges and current sensors thousands of times per second to detect the minute deviations, measuring only a few millimeters. When the foot strikes a concrete ridge or slips on an oil-slicked factory floor surface, immediately, the joint-level controller autonomously recalibrates mechanical stiffness and force output within a millisecond time frame to maintain balance, rather than waiting for latency-prone processing commands from the centralized computer. On the manufacturing and assembly lines at Fremont, these advancements in actuator capability and structural rigidity allow Optimus V 2.5 to directly handle complex tasks, such as unloading sharp stamped metal components or heavy brake assemblies weighing up to 20 kilograms from deep storage bins. This process demands that the robot continuously dynamically shift its body center of gravity and regulate finger gripping forces via joint-level force feedback mechanisms to provide just enough torque to lift heavy structures while preventing the deformation of soft components or tearing delicate wire harnesses. When transitioning from factory floors to domestic spaces, the low center of gravity structure and high-frequency torque loop immediately transform into a core safety filter, allowing the robot to self-recover posture and execute dampening steps when accidentally tripping over toys, thick carpets, or interacting with pets. The synergy between a 20% power savings and ultra-high tactile sensitivity enables the robot to operate completely untethered and independently to perform meticulous domestic chores that demand precise dexterity, such as organizing porcelain dishes into dishwasher racks, lifting heavy baskets of damp laundry, or sanitizing delicate furniture surfaces without causing any material damage. Why could AI-5 become the most important breakthrough for Optimus Gen 3? Tesla is facing a harsh reality in the humanoid robotics race, visibly lagging behind early moving competitors in commercial deployment. Currently, Tesla's Optimus fleet is limited to a few hundred internal prototypes focused on data collection rather than factory value. In sharp contrast, Figure AI has operated Figure 02 continuously for 11 months at BMW Spartanburg, logging over 1,250 real-world hours and processing 90,000-plus sheet metal components with 99% accuracy. Agility Robotics has surpassed 100,000 tote handling deployments with Digit at GXO Logistics in Georgia and expanded into Toyota's Canadian plants. Most strikingly, Chinese firms capture nearly 90% of the global commercial humanoid market. Agibot has shipped over 5,100 units, while Unitree Robotics has delivered over 5,500 robots and is scaling toward 10,000 to 20,000 units. However, Tesla's strategy operates on a different paradigm. Instead of rushing to secure early pilot customers, Elon Musk is constructing an unprecedented scaling machine. Tesla even halted Model SX assembly lines at Fremont to restructure the facility into a manufacturing ecosystem dedicated exclusively to Optimus Gen 3. This line is engineered for an initial capacity of 1 million robots annually, which, combined with a secondary Giga Texas facility, aims to scale to 10 million Gen 4 robots per year by the end of the decade. This applies high-volume automotive production principles to humanoid robotics. The primary inflection point is the custom AI5 silicon architecture, which recently completed its tape-out phase, signaling readiness for mass production at Samsung's Texas and TSMC's Arizona foundries. Crucially, Musk has prioritized AI5 for Optimus Gen 3 over electric vehicles or robotaxis. The AI5 chip delivers neural network inference performance equivalent to a $30,000 NVIDIA Hone 100 GPU, but consumes just 250 watts, cutting the energy footprint of NVIDIA's premium hardware nearly in half. Tesla achieved this by stripping out non-essential components like graphics pipelines and independent image signal processors, dedicating the entire silicon area to neural networks. This power optimization is critical. Most humanoid platforms face severe battery constraints, carrying onboard packs limited to 2 to 3 kilowatt-hours. If an onboard processor consumes over 500 watts like an Hone 100, a robot cannot operate continuously through a standard factory shift. The AI5 silicon directly solves this bottleneck, granting Optimus Gen 3 massive local compute capabilities without requiring reliance on continuous Wi-Fi or cloud infrastructure. This diverges from systems operating via an image snapshot next to cloud and next to response loop, mirroring FSD v12. Tesla is replacing handwritten heuristics with an end-to-end neural network that processes streaming video feeds in real time, leveraging XAI and Tesla's collaboration. Musk recently disclosed a software architecture designated as Digital Optimus. Departing from the static image analysis used by OpenAI or Anthropic agents, this system ingests continuous 5-second video streams to mimic human perception. This mirrors FSD v12's deletion of 300,000 lines of CFU's code for an end-to-end neural network. Critically, this stack runs locally on $650 AI4 hardware instead of expensive cloud clusters, making Optimus Gen 3 a fully realized real-time AI platform capable of continuous adaptation. Tesla's ultimate competitive moat is its data engine. A global fleet of 4+ million vehicles has accumulated 8.2 billion miles of driving data across extreme weather and chaotic intersections, yielding a proprietary vision dataset no competitor can replicate. Tesla also captures video of Fremont factory workers to train Optimus on human-like manipulation, and is developing capabilities for the robot to learn skills by parsing internet video tutorials. This training loop is further accelerated within a virtual neural world simulation at speeds hundreds of times faster than reality with zero risk of hardware wear. To compute this machine learning loop, Tesla activated its Cortex-2 supercomputer at Giga Texas, which surpasses 130,100 equivalent GPUs and draws a peak capacity of 500 megawatts, enough to power 400,000 homes. Combined with Cortex-1's 100,000-plus GPUs, Tesla operates over 230,000 GPUs exclusively for FSD and Optimus training. The daily data ingested equals 500 years of continuous driving data, a proprietary asset that cache-rich tech giants cannot replicate. While a significant delta rem, deployed robots will capture data, transmit edge cases to centralized compute, receive over-the-air updates, and drive exponential improvements. If Fremont scales during the 2027 to 2028 window, Optimus Gen 3 will transform humanoid robotics into a globally distributed, self-evolving AI network.